Welcome back. From the settings area, we're going to change the AI model. We're going to change from the default Perplexity model to the GPT-4o model, which is the latest advanced model by OpenAI. And we're now going to be using GPT-4o. We're going to go to our Home tab. We're first going to copy our exact question. And we're going to go back to the home page. What we're now going to do is we're going to write in our query. And we're going to allow Perplexity to do the work with a new model. And you are going to see different results with a different model. We're now going to use our follow-up question. The ChatGPT 4o model did come up with a different conclusion for the first question. There's also a different conclusion for the second question. We are now going to go to the third follow-up question. And we're going to place in the final question. We're going to add in a fourth question and ask the chatbot now to choose one. So the ChatGPT 4o model does provide information in a different way inside of Perplexity and comes up with a different conclusion than the default model. However, for good measure, we are going to go back to the first query from the default model, and we're going to give it the fourth question to choose one. Now, although the root is different, the final answer is the same in the default model as it is with the ChatGPT 4o model. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.